Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. I'm gonna be installing a lace wig today and I already have my hair prepared for that. I have it brushed down with some gel. The stocking cap is a little wet, but we're gonna work with it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add some foundation on the stocking cap to get the color closer to my skin tone. I'm also going to go ahead and add some onto the lace of the wig, and this is a wig I've used before, but because I bleached the front of it I had to wash it so all the foundation that was on it before is gone. I also curled the wig before putting it on so I don't have to do it afterwards, so this is the reason why it has all these flexi rods on it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on, and because this wig is a wig that I've used before, it is gonna be so easy to install it today. I'm not gonna be doing all that extra stuff. I don't have no lace to cut off, none of that. So right here I'm just adjusting the wig, make sure it's where I want it before I go ahead and secure it onto my head, because I wouldn't want to secure it on and then it's not how I want it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Today I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glue gel instead of the free spray, and I did not choose this for any particular reason. I just felt like using it. And I'm applying it onto my skin, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my blow dryer and dry it a little bit before I put the lace down on it. So now I'm going to put the lace on it and then I'm going to completely dry it. After putting it where I want it, I'm going to hold it in place while I dry it with my blow dryer. This way it won't shift, because it can shift, you know what I'm saying, especially because I have all those things in my hair. It's a little bit heavy, so I'm going to just hold it in place while I dry it. It doesn't take a long time to dry, but make sure if you're doing it, make sure it's dry before you move your fingers if your wig is moving, because you don't want it to move and then you have problem putting it back where it was. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the sides. Like I said, this was gonna be a very simple tutorial, but I wanted to do it just because people ask all the time why we keep, doing tutorials with new lace wig and not showing any tutorial with lace wig that's used already. So I just felt like, doing this video for people who want to see how you install one that you already used. I didn't do too much with the edges, even though the first time I installed it, yes, I did cut them down so they're there, but maybe because I have the front blonde, I didn't feel the need to do anything with the edges. But anyway, this is all I'm gonna be doing to it. I'm gonna go do my makeup and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. This is it, guys. I took the flexi rods down. It didn't take the curls like I was expecting it to, but I feel like it still looked good. I bleached the front of the hair myself and I recorded it for TikTok and Instagram Reels. So if you're interested, definitely check out my TikTok and Instagram Reel for that. Like I said earlier, this is a wig that I've used before, maybe like 3 videos ago, but I wanted to bleach the front blonde so bad, so I went ahead and did that. And now I'm thinking about changing the color to blue. I don't know, or maybe I'll do that with another wig. I absolutely love it, and so I think this is something that I'm gonna start doing a little bit more, repurpose my wig, doing something different with it, just to show you guys, that you don't have to keep the wig the same way you bought it. You could change it up however you like it. So I wasn't expecting it to come out looking as good as it does. So this is the reason why I didn't film that part for YouTube. But if you can, please forgive me for that. But I will try to incorporate those things in my other videos if I do bleach or color my hair. So definitely look out for that. But for now, you could just check out the TikTok or Reels and you'll see it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!